Getting subscribers on YouTube is the easiest thing anyone can do, like especially getting the 1000 minimum requirement for your YouTube monetization is very easy for anyone on YouTube to get 1000 subscribers, especially for your channel monetization. Many people are struggling with subscribers, getting that 1000 subscribers. So many people have watch hour, 4000 watch hour, but getting subscribers becomes very difficult. And I wonder why, because there are certain things you can do to get your subscriber, and this is a very easy. This is what I'm going to mention in this video. So if you're struggling with 1000 subscribers, to getting your 1000 subscribers, just keep watching. Ensure you watch the end. I'm going to give you like 2 tricks you can apply to get 1000 subscribers so easily. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Grow with Stacy. Here we'll talk about how to make money online and how to grow your YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing this channel, please subscribe to join us here for mind-blowing tips on how to grow your YouTube channel and how to make money online. So talking about subscribers, getting 1000 subscribers on your YouTube channel for monetization, especially that 1K minimum requirement for monetization, is something very easy anyone can do. And I'll be sharing with you what I did that helped me get my 1000 subscribers in just 2 weeks. Get 1000 subscribers, especially that minimum requirement for your monetization, you can actually help yourself to get that 1000 subscribers. I'm going to be sharing with you what you can do for videos and for shorts. Let's start with videos. If you're the type that posts videos only, you can do this, but I usually tell people to do shorts. Shorts will give you subscribers faster than long videos. But if you don't post shorts on your channel, you only deal on long videos, you can actually do this on long videos. If you're making a video and along the line you hit a point, you make a bullet point in that particular video, that is the point when you are supposed to put action button or subscribe. The way you're watching your video, you know when you've made a valid point, a bullet point, and when someone is watching your video, the person will say, yeah, this hit differently. That is the point where you put your action button. If you put your subscription button at that particular point in that video, many people are going to click on that button because that point hit differently or make a valid point in their mind. So that is where you have to put your bullet point, like just put subscribe, like, or share. Many people are going to click on that subscription button at that particular point. So when you put your action button at that particular point, when you hit a valid point or bullet point, many people are going to click on that subscription button, and this is how people get 1000 subscribers so easily. The next one I'm going to be sharing is how to use shorts to get your subscribers, and trust me, using shorts to get your subscribers is the easiest because shorts videos get viewers more than long videos. And when you use shorts to get your subscribers, you will get subscribers in less than 2 weeks or even 1 week. Like in mine, I got mine in less than 2 weeks using only shorts. So posting shorts in this particular way I'm going to show you will help you to get your subscribers, especially if you're struggling to getting your 1000 subscribers. It's going to help you to get your 1000 subscribers in less than 2 weeks or even 1 month. So the next video I'm going to be showing is how to post your shorts to help it go viral in order to get views and subscribers as well. So depending on the type of content you are posting, if you don't want to use your video, maybe you make long videos and you don't want to use your long videos to post as shorts, you can easily go to your Instagram, go to Instagram Reels, and look for reels that go viral. Look for all these videos that have gone viral. You would know them by their reaction, the likes, the comments on them. Once you see anyone that has plenty reaction and comments, you can just copy it. You can pick something like this. You can remove the write-offs. Just copy the link. For you to remove the watermark, you go to your Google. Sorry, go to Chrome or any browser. Then you search for Instagram without watermark. You just click. I have it already. I have it already here. You click the link you copied here. You paste it here. Then download it. Download it is not hard. Just download it. Once you download it, just go to, you can still use InShot or CapCut to edit it, to remove the right subs. But the point I'm trying to make is that when you want to upload it as shorts, you're looking for short that can go viral, that can give you views and subscribers. What you would do is to upload it as shorts to make it look like your original content. Open your YouTube, click on you want to upload it through this means. Network is really poor here. So you want to upload shorts. Let me just use one as for example. Let me use one of my videos. Then this is where the key comes. You write it here. Just put your caption on it. You can write anything. The funniest move, funniest dance moves. Just put the caption like this. Then another thing is sound. When you come to YouTube, you see all these viral sounds. The one that has high views, the highest one. You can see the first three. You can choose any of them. Depending on your content, you can choose any of them that will rhyme with your content. You click it, you put the sound, flag it as release content, trust me. And it will help to get to a lot of people. A lot of people will see this short and they will likely click on it. And trust me, people, when they like any shorts, they must subscribe. And uploading your shorts this way will help you gain subscribers. I tried it and it worked for me. I know it will work for you as well. If you post your shorts this way, trust me, you will get the 1,000 subscribers so easily. Thank you guys for watching. If this is your first time seeing this channel, do not forget to subscribe and share as well so that others can see this video. Give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.